How to spoof in Pokemon Go PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to spoof in Pokemon Go PC. First, visit the official MockPogo website and download the software on your PC. Now open MockPogo and navigate the map to select the location where you want to teleport. Then, click the teleport button to apply the new location instantly. For enhanced privacy, configure a VPN when prompted. Click on the Configure VPN option. Follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. Using a VPN helps keep your location changes undetectable and protects your data from unauthorized access. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.